this Matterport video, we're going to be talking about tags and how to use them to show different areas of the home that you weren't able to take the tour of. So in this house specifically, I was not able to just go into the backyard to get a 360 capture or scan it all like I like to do because they had pets and kids running around out in the back. So we had to avoid that area. So what I do is I go to the section over here called Tags. I select that and then I create a new tag and place it on the doorway that I want people to go to. And then you can name the tag whatever you want right here. And then what I do is upload the backyard files. And this is why it's important to keep things organized so you always know where you are getting your photos. So I'll just select these. Then you can also link a video or anything else if there's some other, like if you do a social media video or a video of the house, you can link that somewhere. Or if there's a video of the backyard, this works for bathrooms, other things like that. So that is uploaded, the photos are there. The default icon, I'll just change that regular icon to an arrow so people can see that they are going to be going out. And then let's save it, and if you click that, that's what it looks like. People can go through and see what the backyard looks like right from the Matterport tour. It's a great addition. If there's any rooms you can't go into, the photos you're taking will be perfect for this situation. If you have any questions, comment below. Have a great day.